Okay, so after you opted in through the main website, you should see something like this. And thing is, you got an email to your email, or actually two emails that look like this. So the first email, get access to a free SMMA course. And then you just read this email and create your account. You click create your account, then you will be taken to a website where you can just create your new password, confirm a new password, and then you get access to the free community, plus you get access to the free SMMA course. Now, if you did not find this email, you can also see if you found this email, and you can click this link, which is the same link as the blue button takes you to. Now, if you didn't find any of these, you can check promotions, socials, updates, and you can even check the spam folder. Now, also, if you still don't find the email after refreshing, checking spam folder, promotions folder, everything, then what you can do is you go here into the website and you click emergency community access. You click this button and then you get taken to a website like this. You can try to log in with Google, or if you're a new user, you never logged in before, which 99% of you are, you click sign up. Then you fill out your name, email, password. You just create a password and then you click sign up, and then you will get access to the community plus the course. Good luck.